Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Before we get started, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. This month's recipe is one I wanted to share with you guys for a really long time and it's finally here. So on this video I'm going to show you how to make my chili con carne. But with one exception, I'm not using beef stock, I'm using red wine. And you know what's another great thing about cooking with wine? When you're done, you can drink the rest. So with that said, let's go. Here's what you'll need. Traditionally you'd use kidney beans, but I used a mix of navy and black beans. Maybe you should pause it to write it all down. Heat up the oil over medium heat, then add diced onion and let it cook till translucent, about 6 minutes. Around halfway through, add diced peppers and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the garlic and ginger and cook for about 1 minute, till fragrant. Add the beef, cook while breaking it as you go, till mostly browned. Add the spices and cook till everything is browned properly. All that's left is to add the remaining ingredients. The beans, the tomato paste, tomato puree, the wine or beef stock, and some salt and pepper. Mix well, cover and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Just look at that, and the smell was so... oh my god. Let it simmer for another 10 minutes with the lid off to reduce a bit. Now, take your trusty ladle and serve it over some rice or in a bowl with tortilla chips to scoop it up. I can't wait, I'll just dig in. Let me know in the comments below how you liked my take on chili con carne, and I'd also like to know how spicy you've made yours. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!